Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit pin-backed star studs with a green machine. So this is a star stud. If we flip this over to the back side, you can see that it has a hole in the middle for a pin. The pin of your star studs are quite small, they look like this. And our die set will look like this. So this is our base die. This is what's going to hold your backing pin in place, and that goes into the bottom of the machine. Slot your pin on top of that, and that just slides in. Your top die is going to look like this. It's got a nice star shape on it to hold your star in place, and that screws into the top of the machine. I've already got the pin in our base die, so I'm going to take my star and I'm going to push that into the top die, and that will hold it. I've just got some faux leather here, relatively thick. I'm going to hover that over the top in between the two dies and compress. And this is our result. A nice star stud that is firmly in place with the pin set in the back.